Alright, okay. We're coming up on Bergen now. If you take a right, first junction, there will be a hill, an incline in front of you. And we need to basically turn to face that incline, progress forward at slow speed until I tell you to stop.
Yeah. We're very close to this red circle.
Yeah, copy, mate, yeah. I'm going to get thermal to the east now and take a look and see what I can see. Okay. Right, driver, prepare to turn. Right. Okay, yep, gonna orient forward for this part. Contact expected front. Right, you see that little hill up ahead?
Yes.
Accelerate fast until we reach the just the base of that hill, and then we'll start progressing up forward slowly. Right, forward slow. All right, halt there.
I can't see.
You can't see, no, it's a turret down. The commander's gun and periscope is higher than the gunner's. Basically, in a turret down position, the commander's periscope, or if the commander doesn't have one, the commander himself can turn out and see over the hill. But it leaves the tank behind cover, so we're not in danger. Yeah. Alright, forward slow.
Yeah, I see now.
Yep, copy. Alright, gonna orient to 058, get a lookout down there with thermal. I'm gonna just check the... Halt! Contact front, bearing 075, single infantryman. Range 1510. No other thermal contact in sight.
The tree might be in the way.
I know, second infantryman, just to the right of him. Again, 076 from our location. Alright, Gunner, do you have eyes on?
Nope.
Alright. Halt. Anything now, Gunner? 076. Is it sort of east-northeast?
I can't.
Yep, okay, mate.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try and engage. I'm gonna see what kind of sight adjustment I can get off this 50 cal a minute. Hang on. Alright, if I can get to 1500, we're good. Yeah, alright, confirm. Alright, I'm gonna try and engage, okay? Round going out. Oh! Fucking technical front! Gonna engage! Good shot. Okay. Rounds going out. We're gonna go and check out spot height 76. It's to our southeast. Okay.
Yeah, I see 76.
Okay, basically take us there, cut across there to our southeast, basically, across the open ground here.
Okay.
Gunner, keep eyes to the east, basically, here. Around bearing 76 where I spotted those infantry, just in case you do gain eyes as we're going. Stay on thermal. Alright. Check the course we're on now. Driver, if you go more or less direct south. That's it, mate.
I can see it a lot further now, but I'm not seeing infantry.
Okay, they are now. I'm getting flickers of them through the trees. They are bearing 089. You won't be able to see them constantly. You see the dirt trail up ahead?
Yep.
Right, follow that basically. Right, and when we start climbing, there should be a very, very, very shallow incline here. Once we start turning around the other way again, I want you to halt and let us get basically a scan of the horizon.
Okay, well, when we get near the top.
Copy that, mate. Right, yeah, gonna maintain, just look northeast. Alright, driver, take us direct north now. Okay, when we hit the road, the main road, we're gonna go east along it, towards the town. We're not gonna enter the town. We're gonna just take the road east and see what we can spot and what we can engage. No eyes to the northeast now. Okay. Here we go. So yeah, if you take east from here.
Halt.
Halt. What have you got, mate?
0, about 6 guys.
Copy, right, mate.
Guys.
Okay, have you got? Oh, we've been engaged. Mate, engage him. You set range and engage.
Tank, within
Driver,
zero
turn to
range.
face,
I
turn to
can't see
face.
range.
Driver, reverse. Driver, reverse.
Tank's distracted.
Reloading 50. Alright. Okay.
Tanks don't show up on,
No, they don't show up on thermal very well, yeah. Good shooting though, you took it out, well done, mate. Okay, right. Okay, driver, keep reversing, I'll tell you when to stop, mate.
Whoa, that went in the close. No, it's just
Here we go, that's it. Keep going, alright, halt there. Right, forward, slow. Okay, alright. Just got to look down there now and just see what they're... Halt. Reverse 20 meters, then orient north and take us full speed north. Gonna maintain easterly orientation. Okay. Okay, driver, turn direct east now, direct east. Okay. Gonna look north, look southeast now. Keep an eye out where those infantry. We're jockeying around. We're gonna pop up again now on this hill to our southeast.
jump to go through the woods.
No, mate, no, absolutely no, absolutely do not enter the woods under any circumstances. Turn southeast now and halt. Okay, now forward slow onto the hill. I'll tell you when to stop. Okay, driver, halt.
no eyes on
Right.
infantry.
Have you got? Can you see now? Can you see over the hill, driver? Gunner.
Yeah.
Okay, mate.
They popped a flare or something. Bearing 118.
Yeah. Hang on, I'm going to switch off
Yeah,
thermal
I
so
see
we can get a
that
look.
I see that as well, but it seems to be jumping up and down.
Yeah, what is that?
Did you say 118? Yeah.
It's falling to the ground.
I see infantry. I'm not clear to engage.
Yeah, mate. Range and then engage. Yeah, actually, I see him too. Yeah. 1200. No, 620 meters. I'm adjusting my sighting now.
I've lost eyes.
Copy, mate. I can see one. Hang on. I think he's down. Alright. Watch and shoot, man. Alright, we got another infantryman. No, is that an infantryman or a rabbit? I can't work it out. Bearing 132.
Yeah, I see it.
Just, okay, driver reverse. I'm gonna check the map now for spot heights. Actually, driver, this woodland area to our east is very, very thin. Yeah, we can go through it. But keep us, mate. No, keep us. Go northeast. Keep us on this side of the bank, basically. Keep us like out of view of anything to the southeast.
I suggest you put turret front for this.
Yeah, copy. Yeah, drive. Gonna orient front. I'll keep an eye over there, don't worry, mate. Bearing.
Just the front of
Okay.
the front.
Say about bearing 100.
Just keep how you are. Just keep how you are. Just keep
Alright,
how
here
you
we go.
are.
Alright. I'm going to keep an eye out east so we don't get our asses fucked by anything. Okay. Wait, I got a rabbit front. That's alright, we're good. Okay, right. Driver. Halt.
What
have you got, mate?
Bearing 0. In fact, no, there's 2 of them. Bearing 023.
023.
There's
023, do you say?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, copy, yeah, mate. Driver, turn to face 023.
There's more.
Alright, driver, turn to face 030. We'll spread right. Gunner, you engage the ones on the left. I'll engage the ones on the right. Okay.
Switch on one on the left.
Copy. Right. I'm engaging now though.
Definitely.
I've got visual on them now. I'm just going to get a range to them. They're at 800. Adjusted sighting. Confirmed. Okay. Oh shit. Got to reload the 50. Alright. Hang on. While that's reloading, I got to get a look at the map and work out if we got a decent tactical approach from here. Alright, driver. Can you take us back through the woods? Take us back through the woods, because if we approach north from there, we've got better cover from anything from the east that way. We can focus all our attention on those infantry. That's it, mate. Nice.
Sorry,
Okay.
mate,
Once we're through the woods, turn to face north and go forward full.
Yep.
All right. We'll get better eyes on now. Okay. All right. They might be in this woodland, so I'll keep eyes. Keep eyes to the northeast, basically. If they're in this woodland, we will fuck them up. Okay. Here we go. Let's engage. Fuck these guys.
Turn to halt.
Yeah. Turn to face. 027. Haha. Reloading the 50. They are fucked, man. Nice shooting, nice shooting. Aim up a little, mate. Aim up just a little. Right. Okay. Driver forward fast. Right, reloading the 50 now, reloading the 50.
Blue smoke and slightly left away from.
Right.
Set of bearings.
Alright, driver halt. Sorry, they are they're just being slaughtered basically. You know. Right, okay. Hang on. I'm switching off thermal now, hang on.
See smoke.
Copy, I see smoke. I'm getting a look at that now. I think the guy, it looks like there's a body right next to it. I think the guy dropped it as he was getting Okay, driver, progress forward just to the edge of this tree line and then orient east.
The one at far end.
No, right, basically, no, halt here now. Oh, infantry front, infantry front.
Do we?
Is somebody up there?
No, he's dead.
Reloading now. Okay, okay, alright, let's check the map now. Okay, driver, if you orient direct east now, we should be able to progress. There's that, if we progress forward, normal speed, basically. Right, gunner, orient to the north. I'll keep an eye out front.
Oh, contact.
Halt, contact. Yeah, eyes on, contact to the, what is that? Gunner, prepare gun, prepare main gun. Oh no, it's infantry. Engage him.
What's the bearing?
Driver, turn to face, contact.
Bearing.
Bearing 065. Alright, I can still, yeah mate, you're right, he is just gone prone. I'm getting little flickers of him out there. Alright, driver, forward slow.
He didn't have any AT, so it's not going to cause much of a nuisance.
Yeah, that's a good point. You could pick up AT though.
I didn't see any AT in any of these guys.
Okay. Alright, driver, orient direct east. Basically bearing 090.
Hang on, oh no, he's dead.
Okay. I've got another, oh, halt, more contacts to the front. Bearing 073, one infantryman, and then there's another one at bearing 077. That's it, mate. I'll take out the other one. Hang on. He's a little bit further away.
Yeah.
He's gone prone now at bearing 077. Okay. Yeah. Alright, driver, forward slow. Alright, he's back up. I've got a shot.
082 now.
Copy that, 082. Shit, nice shooting, nice shooting. I think he went down, yeah. Reload him. Oh, contact, 073. Infantryman. Aim up a little, mate. Oh, you got him, you got him.
I can see
Alright.
the traces, so yeah.
Cool, man. Well done. Right, so... Okay. If you, driver, if you take us now southeast back to the road, we should be able to get a little nearer to the town. Keep an eye out, driver. Keep an eye out east for any armored vehicles or anti-air.
Do you mean gunner or me?
Oh, sorry, gunner. Yeah. Contact front. Looks like infantry squad prone. 158 bearing. Range is
Yeah.
540 meters. All right. That's it. Good shooting, gunner. I can see one still alive to the right-hand side. That's it. He's down. Well done. That was really good shooting. There's one crawling through the left, I think. Okay, mate. Drive it forward fast.
Wait, no, there's still one running.
Never mind.
Enemy AT front. He's down. Good shooting, man. Reloading. Right, 2 mag. Enemy tank front. T-72.
Bearing.
Bearing is 112. Just behind the bushes there, man. Main gun. Switch weapon.
Can't see it. You have to go forward a bit.
Right, go forward. 112.
Still can't see it.
Alright, go forward, driver.
Well, I'm on top of the hill now, so...
You have to go, but you're angled. You need to go forward, man. You need to keep going forward.
Yeah, I see it.
Okay, engage. Good shot, man, good shot. Alright, engage again. Just put one more in just to be safe. Go now, engage. I'll take out the infantry over there, man. Alright. Copy. Alright, okay. Gonna driver reverse fast. Set him up now. Okay. Just zoom out and get a lay of the land here, right? We're gonna have to. We can't really. We're not going through that wooded area off to our left, so we're gonna have to go up over. We're gonna have to crest this hill basically. I'm looking for. Right, what we're gonna do? You're gonna crest up onto this hill full speed. Okay. You're gonna go south to the basically to the left hand side of that wooded area. Okay. And once we get there, then we're gonna turn to face east basically. Okay, so basically we're gonna crest and head direct south. You need to be looking east the whole time basically.
Crest
Right.
and go to that tree line, right?
Yeah, no crest. Yeah, just head direct south basically.
Oh, infantry.
Copy it. Alright, just thermal. Oh yeah, eyes on.
Okay.
He's down. Copy, eyes on technical. Whoa, engage the tank. Don't fuck. Oh, is it SPG-9 technical or is it just a machine gun? I've got him anyway, mate. I've got him. He's down. Engage the tank. Okay, oh yeah, I see him, orient west. Right, I'm gonna get eyes out for it now. I can see him, mate. I can see him bearing 261. Engage with main gun. 260. Yeah, driver reverse.
Into the tree
No,
line?
go forward.
Halt.
What do you want me to do? Reverse go forward?
Oh, yeah, just listen.
Right, halt.
Yeah.
Gunner, engage.
Good
Good shot. Good shot. Right, infantry front, bearing 000. One single infantryman. Range 410, 450. Alright, reloading. Last mag on the 50.
Well, we're kind of screwed then.
He's dead.
No, we're alright. It's the 50. It's not. I mean, the main gun's the important weapon. And we've killed a shitload of infantry. Right, guys, we're going to. I want you to peek. Another infantryman front bearing 030. Range is 520. Engaging. Oh, I'm still reloading. Hang on. He's gone out of view. He's behind the trees, little jammy bastard. Oh, got another one there. Hang on. Bearing 026. That's it. He's down. Previous infantryman's back up. He's running just behind that. That's it, mate. Just behind the technical. Good shooting. Okay, gonna orient to the east. We're gonna see if we can get eyes on the town and see what's left.
Infantryman bearing 060.
Copy 060. I'm gonna look now. Right. Driver orient to the direct east now, direct towards the town. Alright, we're going to face the town, we're going to approach it, but we're not going to enter it. We're going to move up around the northern side of the town and engage anything else. I see the infantryman now. Yep, another one. I think he's an AT as well, mate. Driver, turn to face 067. Alright, forward fast. Right, look out! Just impossible AT gunner front. So if you see him now, engage. Look to the. Oh, guys! AT gunner at 100. Driver, turn to face on the road. Gunner on the road. Is he AT? I don't know. No, he's not. He's just rifleman. The kneeling position, man. Got me for a minute. Okay. That's it. Keep progressing north. Right, driver, halt and turn to face 129. Check map sec. Actually, turn to face. Let's get a view on the town. Turn to face 140 and we'll progress at full speed that direction. Gunner orient to face the same direction, 140. Okay. Halt infantryman, single infantryman 155. I've lost sight on him, so I doubt you'll be able to see him, but if we progress that direction, we should be able to get a turret down on him.
155?
155, that's it, mate, yeah. Getting a look into down the main road of the town now as we go through. Copy. Okay. Alright. Whoa, the tree's coming down in front of us. Fuck. Fuck, driver.
I see it.
Right. Range and engage. Range and engage. What is it? What bearing?
Is that 149 or something?
150.
Roughly there. Oh, 150.
150.
That was like it.
Right. I see. Yes, good shot, man. Good shot. Well done. Good shooting. It's another T-72 down. Okay, driver, take us forward slow. Keep eyes out. Martin, man, that was really good shooting.
That scared the crap out of me. That tree.
Oh, the tree came down, man. I know.
Reloading the.
Copy, mate. All right. Driver, turn to face direct south. Gonna maintain the same orientation. Okay. Right. Yeah. Infantry down. Okay. Right. Okay, guys. Let's orient. Do a full turn. Like come about, basically. Do like a full 180 degree turn. And we will actually just take us south. Let's we'll RTV. RTV. Yeah, let's take us south. Okay. No. Right. If you go west now onto the main road, and we'll just go direct south from there. Fresh air, eh?
I thought this was supposed to turn into night time. I hope I don't get a ticket for being on my phone whilst driving. If I'm turned out, I can.
Oh yeah, of course you can do.
I don't like that the water's black on my GPS.
Yeah.
And it was no longer good code on the GPS.
Right, you're going right here, mate. Going right.
Martin, use the
I
340.
know. That's right. No, that's right. Yeah, go. You're turd now. You may as well go this way.
Yeah.
I'll sit quietly.
Okay. Well, you know, it's like literally we're about 2 mics away. So.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So let's park us up on the little yard. Yeah, the little yard to the left when we get into place here. Eagle 1-1, what is your current status? Over.
Eagle 1-1's yellow on ammo, green on fuel, still in the air.
Alright, solid copy, Eagle 1-1, keep up the good work. Over.
Be notified, Pathfinder 1-1, you will see hostile smoke pop within the limits of Hermannsburg.
Solid copy, Eagle 1-1, we'll keep eyes open for hostile smoke in the town of Hermannsburg. Over. You got anything, mate? Yeah. I'll keep eyes out anyway. Oh.
Sorry, Pathfinder 1-1, I did not copy that. I want to resend traffic.
Oh, negative. Disregard Eagle 1-1. I blipped the transmit button by mistake. Over.
Copy last. Please notify me when you are close to within Beckedorf limits.
Copy that, Eagle 1-1. Will do. Over. Sorry, mate. We'll take as long as you need.
Character spotted.
Eagle 1-1. This is Pathfinder 1-1. How copy? Over.
Eagle 1-1 copies.
Okay. Pathfinder 1-1 is currently. We are currently south of Beckedorf by approximately 1 kilometer. We are in a wooded area. Grid reference 672184. Keypad 5. Currently just recuperating our energy before we move up to Beckedorf itself. Over.
Copy last. Send message when you get within Beckedorf limits.
Solid copy, Eagle 1-1. Will do. Over and out.
Alright, I think we're good to go.
Okay.
I improved my frame rate, by the way. I had some
Nice.
settings that I could. Alright, we're getting pretty close to
Good to
Beckedorf
hear, man.
now, so we're going to want to start hitting east.
Copy. Okay, mate. Copy. Let me just do a quick map check of our grid. Okay, yeah, we're still we're probably at 500 meters now. If we go east-northeast, we should arrive in good time. Let's do this, man. How are you for stamina?
Pretty good.
Okay. By the way, we are engaging in a lot of patrols in these woods earlier on, so just be on the lookout for contacts in the forest.
Yeah, copy, I'll station.
Pathfinder 1-1, do you copy?
Pathfinder 1-1 copies you loud and clear. Eagle 1-1, send traffic.
Eagle 1-1, bingo ammo, RTB.
Solid copy, Eagle 1-1. Pathfinder 1-1 is approximately 500 meters to the southwest of Beckedorf now. Over.
Copy last. If you can notify the AC-130 that's in the air to not fire on the helicopter, that'd be nice.
Okay, solid copy. We'll try and reach the gunship. Over. Do you know their radio frequency? Over.
I can hear you guys.
Copy, Eagle 1-2. Copy that. We are approaching Beckedorf now. Can you give us any sort of intel update on the thermal situation there? Over.
From what I can see, there is no thermals popping up.
Okay. Solid copy. Moving in now.
Eagle 1-2, check north of Hermannsburg. You will possibly see a section of a patrol.
Okay.
Stamina.
Yeah, mate, it's no worries. It's cool. Let's move into the trees a little.
But I might be out of view distance to go too far.
Yeah, let him know that the rain will affect his render distance.
Quick question, do any of you have an IR strobe?
Let me just look into that now. Eagle 1-2. I will get back to you. I do not. Damn.
That would have been a good idea.
Eagle 1-1. How copy? Over.
Eagle 1-1 said he's off station for a few minutes.
Alright, solid copy, Eagle 1-2. Dude, what I'm thinking is we could possibly get Eagle 1-1 to bring us some IR strobes.
Absolutely.
You know, when Eagle 1-1 reports back on station.
You want to move into town? And
It's your call, man. If you want to move down now, it's up to you. I'm with you.
I want to see if there's anything moving around in there, and if not, we can establish a nice secure LZ.
Copy, yeah. We could, you remember the yard north of that, the building down there, the office type building? We could try and get the yard of that clear, establish that as an LZ. Alright,
Yeah.
looking around, it's the other side is clear. Right, I'm setting up the cover.
Alright, go ahead and move.
Copy, mate. Moving. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm switching over to 343 just so me and you can communicate a bit easier.
Yeah, affirmative. I was just changing some controls and stuff.
Alright. Copy that, mate. You need to keep your eye out, mate, as well, because I can't see shit with this fucking... I'm gonna get Eagle 1-1 if he returns to bring...
Ned, do you copy?
Hang on. Eagle 1-1, how copy, over?
Eagle 1-1 is online now and currently resupplying.
Copy. Eagle 1-1, we need some supplies dropped into us, over. Could you facilitate? Break. We need... no, we don't need the IR strobes now, do we? Could you possibly bring me 1 times M4 from the DMCO box with an ACOG? No. Yeah, could you bring me 1 times M4 from the DMCO box with an ACOG scope?
Over.
Over.
Bring some IR strobes as well, so we can mark targets.
Sure. Eagle 1-1. Pathfinder 1-1 also requests some IR strobes, over, if possible.
Eagle 1-1 copies. I'll get working on that now.
Okay.
Oh shit! There he is.
Shit.
There he is.
Much appreciated, Eagle 1-1. Godspeed.
South.
Okay, copy, mate.
South. He's just running down the street to the
Okay,
south.
copy. I'm gonna set up in this room here.
He's going,
Oh shit, man! I see
I'm
him.
gonna cross the street. Okay.
There's a guy. Yeah, I see someone over there in the. There's a structure over there, man. I saw someone in the window, I think.
Yeah, dude. Flank around to the east and go
Right.
along the other side of the buildings. I'll
Copy,
come
mate.
the street.
Alright,
Make sure
copy.
they don't
Going now.
You have a GL?
No, I don't.
Southeast.
I don't have a GL.
Okay. There's a guy just over the hillside southeast, along the tree line,
Alright.
in a bit of a blind spot.
Yeah, mate. See if I can get a better angle from in here.
I can just see his head there for a second.
Pathfinder 1-1. This is Eagle 1-1. I'm gonna need an LZ.
Copy that. Eagle 1-1. Pathfinder 1-1. Eagle 1-1 is no Pathfinder 1-1. Sorry, is deploying smoke now. Gear.
Eagle 1-1 touchdown and LZ bingo.
Copy. Copy, mate. Unloading gear now. That's the. Okay. Alright, Eagle 1-1, you are clear for takeoff. Gear has been collected. I've got your gun, mate. I've got your gun. Curry, I've got your gun.
I've got a gun as well.
Okay, right.
This is Eagle 1-1 dusting off from LZ bingo now.
Eagle 1-1 is engaging, mate. Eagle 1-1 is engaging to the northeast.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And I think what's his call sign? I forget.
Pathfinder 1-1, do you copy?
Hang on. Pathfinder 1-1 copies you 5x5. Eagle 1-1, send traffic, over.
Eagle 1-1, returning to HQ for rearm.
Okay, solid copy, Eagle 1-1. Godspeed and good work. Over and out.
This is Discord Actual. Is there a specific position you would want me at this moment?
Discord Actual, we would require recon and possibly cast at the town of Hermannsburg. Grid reference 686202. Over.
Orbiting around Hermannsburg. We'll be flying over with FLIR camera and see if I can see anything.
Alright, solid copy, mate. Can't ask for more than that. Over.
I lost.
Yeah, copy, man. I think they were moving southwest. Or west-southwest, rather.
Yeah, I left.
I don't like it, though.
Let's move into the woods on the west side.
Copy, mate, yeah.
Please to advise though that
You got a lot of these guys.
reconnaissance in
Sorry, mate. No, this wasn't us. This wasn't us. No, we Anvil woman took out like basically everything in and around Beckedorf a few hours ago. But yeah, this was all good. Right.
Pathfinder 1-1, if you get the opportunity, mark yourself on the map.
Okay, solid copy. Eagle 1-1. We'll do that now. Curry, hold up. Curry, hold up. Hold up. Okay. Right. Curry, I can't switch from local chat at the minute because I don't have those keys maps. Can you mark us on the map? Okay, I'm moving to you. Eyes on contact at Bonsdorf, running into the town now.
Taking contact from the tree line on the southeastern side of Bonsdorf. Light up that tree line.
I'm engaging contact, direct front. Yeah. Mate, alright.
Mag out.
Okay, whoa.
Yeah, we're taking a lot of fire.
Shit. Reload him. Eagle 1-1, we are engaged from our direct front between us and the town of Bonsdorf. Break. Contact down. Alright, we are being engaged by some sort of heavy weapon on the road, I believe, between us and the town of Bonsdorf. Can you get eyes on anything there? Over.
Coming around for another pass, I'll attempt to get eyes on. Do not get on the road. I copy, do not get on the road.
Solid copy, Eagle 1-1.
This
We'll
way.
refrain from using the road. Right.
Tap.
Yeah. What's he doing? He's getting a look, is he?
Trying to get lined up. Oh, that guy is still crawling. The one we shot, I think.
Alright,
Yeah,
okay.
he is.
Can you get a shot at him? Eyes on you now, Eagle 1-1. What do you see down there on the road? Over.
I advise on what looks like a possible emplacement. I'm going to turn around, do a 180, and get fire on it.
Alright, solid copy, Eagle 1-1. Godspeed, good luck.
Can you guys hear me?
Yep, need you 5x5. Is that Discord 1-1? Over.
Pathfinder 1-1, guns, guns, guns.
Good shooting, Eagle 1-1. Looks like good effect on target, over.
Just on GL and SCCL.
It's contacts here, mate.
Mayday, mayday, mayday. This is Eagle 1-1, mayday, mayday.
Alright. Copy, Eagle 1-1. Are you going down? Are you going down? Over. Contact down, contact down. Shit, Eagle 1-1 is going down, Eagle 1-1 is going down. Holy fuck. Right, let's move in.
Gotta secure that site. Go.
Right. Eagle 1-1, we are moving in to secure your site. If you go down, we will be there shortly. Over.
Eagle 1-2 standing on 117 channel 2, over.
Okay. Eagle 1-2, this is Pathfinder 1-1. Read you loud and clear. It's good to hear from you, man. We have a situation here. We're at the town of Bonsdorf. Eagle 1-1 has just been shot down. We are moving in to secure Eagle 1-1, man. It's good to hear your voice. I can't believe you survived that, man. Well done. We're coming to you.
Northwest of the crash site, about 30 meters from it in the tree line.
Alright, solid copy, Eagle 1-1. We are currently moving. Do you have eyes on us? Over. We're at the crash site now.
It's right over there, let's see. Happy.
Damn, man. Dude, that crash looked like... How did you survive that, man? Eagle 1-2, this is Pathfinder 1-1. We have secured downed pilot and are moving back to secure the town of Bonsdorf.
Roger, do you want me to pick the pilot up, over?
Your call, man. Teppy, do you want to be picked? Do you want to be extracted back to base and grab some?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Alright.
An Apache.
Copy that. Copy that. Eagle 1-2. Yep. Pilot requires extraction back to base. Over.
Roger that, coming in for land.
Do you?
Should I have plates on mine?
Would you like us to? Would you like us to mark LZ at all? Over.
No, I think I've got a pretty good idea where you are.
I'm flashing a flashlight.
I've got an IR strobe on as well.
He just took fire from his rear left.
Eagle 1-2, be advised, he took fire from your 8 o'clock.
See you later, lads.
Ah,
Alright,
right,
get in.
okay.
Yeah, okay, guys, get in.
Yep. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, we're good.
I have no idea how to use this fucking gun, but we'll see. Hopefully I don't blow us up.
Dude, this looks really nice
Dude.
without night vision on. It looks really nice. But the controls look really nice, all illuminated green and stuff.
Yeah.
Without night vision on.
I know, but it's like, yeah, I can't see a thing without night vision. Battle, man. The pickup there was much appreciated.
That's alright.
The battle flies a little lower, man.
These things
Gets
have
down like
horrible
40.
climb rates.
At long
Okay.
range. And also,
Yeah,
just in
fucking
general,
Apache.
the heavier the rain is, the lower your object render distance is. It's like your view distance might be maxed out, but you won't be rendering. You won't be able to see any trees or buildings or anything beyond a certain distance.
Let's just let me go. Hang on. Hang on.
It was just the flares I popped kind of blinded how soft it was.
Yeah. Hang on. Wow, that's a very good landing, man. Alright, dismount.
Thank you
Everyone,
much, Batman.
dismount.